Thank you.
Judge, is he released from his subpoena?
Yes.
Yes. And you are free to go, sir. Thank you. You may continue. You may proceed.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You may proceed.
May I recall Mr. Baker?
And, Mr. Baker, I'll just remind you, you're still under oath.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, just for the record while we're doing this, just if the court could note our continuing objection. By my count, I think we're at about 2 hours of videos at this point, so just want to renew the objection for the record, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. McClelland. You may proceed.
Mr. Baker, I don't think I've ever called you that. Max, what number video are we on? Number 11, it looks like to me. Is that right? On the grid?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. And this is a file labeled 1106. Is that right?
Yes.
And was this file created on May 13th, 2023 at 12:45 p.m.?
Yes.
And it's 1 minute and 4 seconds.
Correct.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
May I publish, Your Honor?
You may. Defendants in part by playing.
May I continue?
You may.
Mr. Baker, moving it, directing your attention to video number 12. Is that 1136?
Yes.
File 1136, May 20th, 2023 at 3:14 p.m.?
Correct.
And it's 55 seconds in length?
Yep.
May I publish, Your Honor?
You may. Defendants in part by playing.
Max, directing your attention to video 13, file 1153. Is that on May 26th?
Yes.
And this is 4 minutes and 5 seconds?
Correct.
May I publish, Your Honor?
You may.
Thank you. Defendants in part by playing. All right, Max. So then video number 14, is that titled or file number 1164?
Yes.
And was that on May 30th of 23?
Yeah.
And at 7:09 a.m.?
Yes.
For 3 minutes, 58 seconds, right?
Correct.
May I publish, Your Honor?
You may.
Thank you. Defendants in part by playing. And then finally, Max, video number 15, is that labeled 120, number 1201?
Yes, it is.
On June 20th, 2023?
Yes.
At 10:52 a.m.?
Correct.
And that's 34 minutes, 43 seconds in length?
Yes, sir.
May I publish, Your Honor?
You may. Defendants in part by playing.
May I advance 1 minute?
You may.
Thank you. I'm going to probably ask to do these through this video.
That's fine.
Cause of the length of it. Same question.
You may.
May I advance 1 minute?
You may.
May I advance 2 minutes?
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 You may.
May I advance 1 minute?
You may.
Same request.
Yes, you may.
1 minute, please.
You may.
We're at 30:02. I'm sorry, I wasn't noting that earlier. 1 minute, please.
You may.
Can I
Yes.
finish up here, Judge?
Yeah.
Thank you. So, Max, is it fair to say that we kind of created a similar thumb drive and a cheat sheet, so to speak, with regard to the in-cell videos?
Yes.
Okay. And the in-cell video, is it accurate to say that that video actually has, you can see the date and the time on the video?
Yes, while you're watching it.
Like it actually shows the actual real time?
Yes.
Okay, so it wasn't hard to ascertain when those videos were?
It was not, no.
Okay, Judge, I'm not going to introduce any more video today, so I don't have any further questions today regarding a foundational issue.
Mr. McClelland.
Judge, are there gonna be additional videos? Well, did you want me to go ahead and go start with Cross now on him, or is there gonna be additional videos through him, and do it all at Anki? Like whatever the court's preference is.
I don't know. There are more videos. I guess that's something we'll have to talk about on sidebar, but yeah. So do you want to reserve that until that's all done?
I guess we have a sidebar, Judge, to briefly just...
Sidebar conference concluded.
I can do it however you want to, Judge. Are you gonna the rest of the video on Monday?
I think probably not Monday. We're just kind of talking in general about schedule, and I don't think Monday, but we're trying to put some more in. I'm going to go back this weekend and, again, try to condense them.
Yeah, 'cause we're starting to get into the cumulative issue that the state.
Yeah, I understand. It's just,
Yeah, I understand that you want to present what you want to present, but I think I've given you a lot of leeway, and you got.
yeah,
In those videos.
they do reference different areas of the facility though, and
Oh, yeah.
it's important to get some context, you know?
Exactly, so.
So,
I think that's probably inaudible, get into.
yeah, I agree it'll bit tougher and more mundane.
Yeah, and they're all in the cell, so.
Well, they're going to demonstrate more of his behaviors, because, of course, you can only see what the prison guards are reacting to.
Sure.
Through these, so I think that'll be good context. We're making a concerted effort to try to limit my reactions to this. I intend on showing videos a few more times. I don't want to do it in bulk, because I think it's not helpful for the jury, so we'll give them a couple more doses, and, that's kind of where I am with it.
And I don't really inaudible, but...
Take the time, it worked out pretty good today.
So this is a good time to break for the day.
Then, obviously, I'll cross him then.
So let's get them out of here, and then we can talk about Monday, and after this is prepared.
Yeah, we've been talking to them. During the break, I was
Okay.
talking to Mr. Luttrell and giving them lists and all that stuff.
Certainly. If we can get through, were you kind of thinking videos on Monday, or just witnesses?
I don't think so. If we do, it might be a little bit on Monday afternoon, but I think that the plan is, on Monday morning, is to have Dr. Westcott come in.
Okay. Mr. Rossi, and then, in the afternoon, I think we've got some fact witnesses, right? Affirmative response.
And if those all line up like I hope they will, now that we've got people traveling that took off between Monday, when we subpoenaed them, and Thursday and Friday.
Okay.
And I think some of them are coming back tomorrow.
Yeah.
So I think we'll get those lined up in the afternoon.
Okay. So we can.
We might put a little video on.
And I'll just when you're done with all video, then I'll get up and cross him.
Then you can cross him.
On today and anything else.
Yeah, that's fine.
Sidebar conference concluded.
All right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. McClelland's going to conduct his cross-examination at the conclusion of all of the videos, so this is a good time, then, for us to take our break. While you're outside of the courtroom again, keep your minds open. Please don't form any opinions or conclusions about anything. As you will be under the supervision of the bailiff for some activities this afternoon, and then tomorrow with your families, you, obviously, can't talk about the case with anybody, so please, don't do that. Have a good rest of your day, and enjoy your family time. Gentlemen.
All rise.
Jury out at 11:56 a.m.
All right. Then, we'll be in recess until 9 a.m. on November 4th.
Thank you.
Jody, you can go off the record.
Off record at 12:03 p.m. On record November 4, 2024 at 9:02 a.m.
All right. We are back on the record. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, with State of Indiana versus Richard Allen, 08C01-2210, MR1. I'll show that the defendant Shear in person with counsel. State Shear by the prosecutor and his deputies. The jurors have reassembled. Are we ready to proceed, Ms. Diener?
Yes.
Mr. Rossi?
Yes.
All right. Let's bring in the jury.
All rise.
Jury in at 9:04 a.m.
Thank you. You may be seated.
Thank you, gentlemen. All right. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's nice to see you back this morning. I hope you had a pleasant weekend. I know you had activities and had some time with family and friends, and had access to your electronic devices to speak with family and friends and check your work email. So to that extent, ladies and gentlemen, have you read, seen, or heard any media accounts concerning this case?
All jurors answer in the negative.
Have you discussed this case with anyone?
All jurors response in the negative.
Has anyone discussed this case with you?
All jurors respond in the negative.
Have you permitted anyone to discuss this case with you?
All jurors respond in the negative.
Have you conducted any research into this case?